watching this at a pretty recent date, you're one of the lucky fellas who are seeing this video. Probably have a shot at a paid edit competition. Technically my first ever paid edit competition. Alright, you're probably asking yourself, when will this 8-year-old start talking about the big bucks? YouTube, I'm not none. I promise. I just have bad genetics. I'm just gonna get to the point. My name's Charlie, and you may know me as ReverseStark on here and on TikTok. Recently, I just hit 30k followers on TikTok and 6k followers on here. Technically, as of recording, 6.5 thousand. And I'm so grateful, and I kind of wanted to treat you guys. My way of doing so would be to practically burn every cent I've made off of YouTube so far on a paid edit competition. How much, you may ask? One winner will take home $350. I'd send the money through Cash App or Stripe. Additionally, if you can't accept those payment options, then I could just send over gift cards of your choice. The winner will also receive a fallback on your platform, a special Discord mod rank in my Discord server. Please join. A big shout out, and if they're comfortable with it, a possible call in one of the future videos. Whoa, where do you think you're going? Let's talk about the rules, because if you don't follow them, I can't accept your submission. As you can see, I put all the rules right here on the screen, and if you're not familiar with what an edit would look like, then here's an example. So the rules are pretty basic. Don't steal. Don't have anybody else make the edit for you. Don't use any sort of template, because I promise I will come for you. And you can join no matter the fandom, audio, or style. For your submission, please upload it to TikTok or YouTube. I can't guarantee that if you upload it somewhere else that I will see it. This part is really important. Whenever you post the edit, make sure you add all 3 of these things. Mention in the caption for ReverseStark's paid edit competition. Tag me in the edit with these users, and use this hashtag shown on screen. You can only join with one edit, and it must be a new edit. Please do not submit a repost or an existing edit. By not following these rules, I may not include your submission, so please be careful. If you happen to own my color correction pack, then I highly suggest that you use one of my CCs. If you do, then please mention in the title. No, I'm not gonna rig it just if you use my CCs, because I know a lot of people can't afford them, but if you did use it, I would gladly appreciate it. When are the due dates, you may ask? The competition technically starts when this video comes out, which should be December 13th, and the last date to submit for the competition is December 31st. If you try to submit after that date, I will not include it, which means you have about 3 weeks to cook. I will then announce the winners in an upcoming video, which should hopefully come out on January 10th. Alright, so what you waiting for? Go ahead and start grinding on your edit. And go ahead and watch this video where I try to make it on a VR, because that was pretty fun and annoying and hard, and just please subscribe.